Okay, let's do our chapter recap in the form of a quiz this time.
Okay.
So number 1, when the doer is a pronoun, we call it a
embedded doer.
Good, embedded doer. When the doer is not a pronoun, we call it a
outside doer.
Good. Those were 2 kinds of doers. Number 3, when you have a non-pronoun doer, the action must always be
in the huwa or the hiya form.
Good, in huwa or hiya form. Number 4, in the blank tense, the blank tells us what the embedded doer is. What was the first tense we learned?
Past.
Right, so in the past tense, what tells us what the embedded...
The ending indicators.
Right, it's the ending indicator in the past tense that tells us what our embedded doer is. In the, what was our other tense?
Present/future.
Right, in our present/future tense, what tells us?
The beginning and ending indicators.
Right, for present, future, it was beginning and ending, the combination together. Okay. Number 6, how do we differentiate between the attached pronoun na and the ending indicator na?
Well, the ending indicator, جعلنا, it was sukun plus na, so the ending indicator is always has a sukun before the na.
Yeah, so it was the sukun plus the na.
And then attached pronoun won't have sukun.
Yeah, no sukun before. Good. Okay, number 7. What happens when a pronoun attaches to the hum form in the past? Sounds theoretical.
Can I get a hint?
So what was the hum form in the past?
Ja'alu.
Ja'alu. Okay, let's try attaching a pronoun to that. Let's put hu. Ja'alu plus hu.
Oh, it was a script thing. The alif drops.
Yeah,
You
the
don't have
alif disappears,
anymore.
right?
Yeah.
The alif will disappear. And that's just a writing thing, right? A script thing. Good. What happens when a pronoun attaches to the entum form in the past? What was the entum form? Entum ja'al.
Tum.
Right, entum ja'altum. So let's attach a pronoun to that.
Ja'altumuhu. Oh, yeah. Ja'altumuhu.
Yeah.
You add a wow after the tum.
Yeah, we'll add
Just
a
move it
wow.
over.
In between the action and the pronoun. Right, for smoothing. So not ja'altumhu, but ja'altumuhu. Okay. What's our process for distinguishing between past tense actions and present tense actions?
Well, you always start by looking at the end.
Right, so we check the ending first.
And if you have a past tense ending indicator, then your job is done. But if you have a present tense ending, you have to check the beginning to see what the pronoun is.
Yeah, and only if you have both the ending and beginning indicator, then we know that it's present tense. If it's just the ending, it's not enough, right?
Okay.
It has to have both. And last question, how do we distinguish between nouns and actions?
Well, actions have indicators.
Yeah.
So if it's past tense, it's going to have a past tense indicator. If it's present, it'll have beginning and ending. And so if it doesn't have those indicators, then it's a noun.
And then there were some other clues we used to determine what a noun is.
Okay, I remember some of them. I remember the double accents.
Okay.
I remember al, because you can't say the he walked. And
what else was there?
There was, I remember there's fragment one. So if it comes after TLDR or sentence starter, then it has to be a noun.
Or a pointer.
Because those are always followed by nouns.
And then the last one, there was one more.
Can you give me a hint?
I'll just tell you what it is.
Okay.
So if you have a tam marbuta at the
Oh,
end,
right.
like muslima or mu'mina, something like that,
Okay.
then it's definitely a noun.
Okay.
Are we all clear?